Here we have Pandora box by Z3X team, a new powerful solution for MTK phones. It goes with a cable set and a power adapter. You can use it when you need additional power supply. Please note that this box is not intended for opening. This is a demonstration. Simply because it was created by Z3X team, who's been around during the last 14 years. This is a powerful tool intended for all MediaTek-based devices on the market, developed according to the latest demands and built to last. Connect Pandora box to the computer. Run Z3X Shell software. Download link is under the video. Go to Settings tab and press Card Info button. Then press Hardware Wizard button. Select Show Card Info and press Next. Press Finish and then press Hardware Wizard. Select Register Card and press Next to register your smart card. Press Next once again to update the smart card. Click Next and then Finish. Go to Support Files tab. Download Pandora setup located in the Software folder. Install this software. Install Pandora drivers. Close Z3X Shell software. Run Pandora Tool software as administrator. Press Check for upgrade and then press Activate to complete the activation process. The software restarts automatically. Now your smart card is tied to the box and you can see the activation date. This card can be used with this box only. Here's how to find your box firmware information. The software interface is user-friendly and convenient. The menu allows you to find the required model quickly.